Hi, I'm Scott. Welcome to Farmerize Stuff. I'm going to show you how to make a set of really nice flower-shaped refrigerator magnets. Then I'm going to give these magnets away to a lucky winner. I hope you can help me grow my channel. Entering this contest couldn't be easier. All you need to do is leave a comment on any of my videos. The first comment that you leave on each video will count as an entry. That means you can enter every time I post a video. Come back often, watch the videos, and leave comments. I hope you win. The complete rules are listed on my YouTube channel as a post. Then, on March 31st, 2026, when the contest ends, I'll draw a winner's name at random. This is my laser workstation. To make these flower refrigerator magnets, I'm going to use some thin cedar stock. This material came off our property. I sawed it on my sawmill. Have a little kiln in the corner of my shop that I used to dry it out. Now I'm going to cut the designs I came up with on the laser. I designed the graphics for this project using Lightburn. It was a pretty easy process. I started with a Google image search looking for images of flowers, black and white line art drawings that I could easily convert into vector format. After I found pictures that I liked, I copied them and pasted them into Lightburn. Then I used the trace image function to actually convert the image to a vector format. After I created the vector of the flower pictures, I edited the picture using the nodes function. I was able to take out portions I didn't like, make adjustments, and alter the image so it fit my needs. I'd say that turned out pretty great. Next, we're going to flip it over and burn a recess for a magnet. And I'll probably identify this as a Morning Glory flower and put the Farmerize Stuff name brand on it. Lightburn's framing function is a very easy way to ensure that you can engrave exactly where you want on a piece. I was able to center the magnet right on this flower. Then, of course, I need to sand it using 220 paper very gently. I don't want to go too deep because I don't want to lose detail, just enough to knock off the scorching. My finish is dead simple. 1 part lacquer, 1 part lacquer thinner. I keep it in a Tupperware in my shop, lasts for a long time with a lid on it. Swirl the magnet around for a moment. Then I'll use a cloth just to wipe the finish off quickly. It dries almost instantly with that lacquer thinner base. Let it set for about 10 minutes before I put the magnet on it. As an afterthought, I decided to step my packaging game up and made a laser cut board to hold the magnets in the box. If you'd like to win these 4 magnets, please leave a comment, and I'd sure appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. These magnets started as an eastern red cedar tree from our property. I ran them through our sawmill, planed them, and kiln dried them in my shop. It was a fun process, didn't take too much time, and the lumber is absolutely gorgeous. How would these eastern red cedar magnets look on your refrigerator? They can be yours if you enter my contest.